Hey there digital friends, welcome back to Digital Visions, and in this video you're going to see the full in-depth review of the Huawei Band 6. I am using this Huawei Band 6 for almost 2 months now, and I waited for this much time so that I can give you the accurate details and the full in-depth review of the Huawei Band 6 and compared to the other bands like the Mi Band 6, which was launched recently for 3500 rupees in India. So in this review, I will be including everything regarding this band, which includes the battery backup, design, quality, and the software which they are using in this band, and comparing with the other bands. And not only bands, I will be also comparing the features which are available in the smartwatches and that are not available in this fitness band. So here I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active, and I have been using this for a long time, and I have using this Huawei Band 6 for almost 2 months and have seen there are so much of significant changes present in both of them, and there is a huge price gap also, but I will be comparing those features and this fitness band too. So I will mention the timestamps for this video so that you can quickly move to the specific area which you want to see for this Huawei Band 6. Let's start with the design, guys. The Huawei Band 6 looks great, but entirely the frame and the back of the Huawei Band 6, everything is made up of plastic. They should have gone with the metal frame, but they have went with the plastic and they applied a layer on it to make it feel like a metal one, but it's made up of plastic. As they have used the plastic frame, the weight of this Huawei Band 6 is very light, which is 18 grams. They should have gone with the metal frame to increase the durability, but this is okay. Changing the straps are easy, but we have to find the specific straps available for this Huawei Band 6. Wearing this Huawei Band 6 is easy, and most of the time you won't feel that you are wearing this band. The design is good in this Huawei Band 6, and when we compare with the Honor Band 6, the Honor Band 6 do not have any kind of layer on its frame, but the Huawei Band 6 has a layer on the frame. Now coming to the screen, this has the biggest screen when comparing to its previous generations, and when coming to the fitness bands, it has a good AMOLED screen. It comes with a 1.47 inch screen which is measured diagonally, and hence we can see more amount of information in this band when we compare with the Honor Band 5 or earlier versions, and when we compare it with the even Mi Band 6, we can read more amount of information in this screen. The viewing angles, the quality, everything is really good in this Band 6 and no complaints here. But another missing feature in this band is that it doesn't have a auto brightness sensor, hence we have to manually change brightness every time. So this band have received 2 updates till now, and in one update they have sent a new feature in which it will automatically reduce the brightness at night. So these are the notification, and as I said, we can read more amount of information with this big screen, and I will be telling more about the notification part later. And finally, when coming to this screen on this Huawei Band 6 is really great. Coming to the software, they are using their own OS for this. They will be using this kind of OS for every kind of variable that they launch. In the middle we can see the clock face here, and if we press and hold that, we can change the clock faces that are available in the band. You can add new watch faces by using the Huawei Health app. I made a dedicated video regarding the watch faces, like how to add third-party watch faces in your band and everything about the watch faces. I will be keeping the link in the description. If you don't know about these watch faces, watch that video. So this watch face and the before watch face that you saw is made by me, and I have just tested these watch faces, and I made these watch faces by using the Huawei Designer app that is available in the PC. You can also make your own watch face by using that Huawei Watch Face Designer app. So now coming to the software, you can swipe left or right to see the widgets that you have kept. As you can see, I have kept 5 widgets, which includes heart rate monitoring, and then the audio controls, and now the temperature. Here I have kept the stress monitoring, and then here is the heart rate monitoring. Similar to the mobile, we can see the status bar here, but there are only 5 toggles and we can't change them. The first one is the do not disturb, and the next one is the screen on time. We can select any time for how much time the screen should be on. And the third one here is the alarm. We can set the alarm and we will get in the vibration. And this is the find my phone feature. If we toggle that, it will ring the phone. And next one is the settings, and at bottom of the watch face we can see the notifications. I will talk about this notifications part later, and this interface is very simple and everyone can easily understand this interface. If you want to go to settings, you can go to settings by using the status bar, or you can use this menu button here. We will be getting a menu, and from there also you can go to the settings. We can use this button as home button as well as the menu button. So let us go to the menu. I will be going in depth of every option available in this. As you can see, in the first we have the workout, and like this there are many options here. So let's go one by one. First one is the workout mode, and in the workout you can see so many workout modes that are available. As this is the Huawei Band 6, there are 96 workout modes available. Currently the workout modes you are seeing are the ones which are widgets and which we use more, and we can add additional widgets here and move up and down these widgets also. As there are 96 workout modes, we can add or remove and change their order inside the widgets option. To access the other 96 workout modes, click on the plus button, and here you can see these are all the 96 workout modes. And from here you can access them, and there are so many workout modes which we won't even use, and I don't know some of them too. I am just scrolling so that you can see what kind of modes are available here. So let me add a auto racing here. As you can see, I have added the auto racing widget here, and to remove, click on the cross button. So to go back, just swipe left so that you will go back, and after here you can see the workout records. The workouts that you have done will be displayed here, and you can see the distance you run, the steps you have taken, the calories burned, everything, and you can see more clearly in the app. During the workouts, the heart rate and the SpO2 will be continuously monitoring. You can see all these workout modes in the band as well as in the Huawei Health app. And then you can see here the next one is the heart rate. This will be measuring the heart rate according to the zones and in a particular intervals, and it will be intimating the heart rate. So after the heart rate, you can see the SpO2 monitoring. The one good thing is that it has the continuous SpO2 monitoring. And then this is the activity record. It will be showing the daily activity record like calories burned, steps taken, and everything. You can see detailedly in the Huawei Health app. Next one is the sleep monitoring, and I didn't test this feature because I don't like wearing any kind of objects while I am sleeping. The next one is the stress monitoring. It will be continuously monitoring your stress levels. As you can see the zones here, and it will be intimating you if you are in high stress. And after that you can see the breathing exercise, and you can change the time here, and accordingly it will be giving you guidance for this breathing exercise. And after this you can see the music controls. We can increase or decrease the volume, and you can play any song which is playing in your phone. The next option that we have here is the notifications, and I will be talking about this notification part later. The next option is the weather, and it will be showing the current weather in your area, and it will be updating in a certain intervals, and for this you need to enable the internet in your mobile. And you can see the weather reports for the entire day and for the next consecutive 7 days. After weather we have the stopwatch here, and after stopwatch we have the timer. Here we have some options, and even we can create a custom timer also. And after the timer we can see we have the alarm option which we have seen in the status bar. And after that we have the flashlight feature here. I don't know how useful it is. It might help for someone. And after this the find feature that will be ringing the phone. It will be helpful when we misplace the phone. And after that you can see the settings option. You can go to the settings by here or by the status bar. Either way we will be going to the same thing, and in the settings you can see the display here. The first one is the watch face, and we can access this watch face to the home screen also. So this is another way we can access these watch faces. Let's go back to the settings. So settings, display, and after that you can see these favorites here. These are the widgets that we can see in the home screen. As you can see, we can only add 5 widgets, and to add another widget we have to remove one widget here. We can only choose any 5 here. You can see the other 3: sleep, activity records, and SpO2, and I have kept the SpO2 favorite widget here. And after that we can see the brightness setting, and we can adjust from 1 to 5, and it got a new update and got a feature that is reduce brightness at night. This feature is useful as it don't have the auto brightness feature. And after that advanced, you can see the sleep timing of this band have set to 20 seconds. And after that you can see the screen time. You can set time to toggle on the screen by using that toggle from the status bar. And after this you can see the vibration here. You can adjust to soft or strong. And after that you can see the do not disturb feature here. And if you turn on this, all the notifications, even if you get it in the phone, they won't be displayed in the band. And after is the workout settings, and you can see here you can opt on or off the auto detect work. But this workout detection mode is very late, like it will be taking minimum of 5 minutes to detect the workout. And after that you can see the system. From here you can power off, restart, disconnect from the phone and all. And in the about section you can get the information about the band and all. This is how the UI is, and the UI is very useful and easy to understand. Now let's talk about the notifications in this band. So now coming to the notifications, we can see the notifications here from the apps that we have selected in the app. But the main disadvantage is that this notification doesn't have the emoji support as well as the photo support. As you can see here, if we get a photo message, it just displays the photo over here and we can't see anything. And as this is not a smartwatch, we can't even reply to the notifications or messages that we received in this band. So we can only display the notifications from our mobile. That's it. So now a new update is rolling out to the Huawei Band 6, and now you can get this pin feature in your Band 6. To access it, just go to settings and you can find this pin feature, and after that you can see you can enable pin. We can enable a 6-digit pin and we can't enable a 4-digit pin here. It didn't give us any chance, so let me keep the pin here. Now at the bottom, as you can see, we have this auto lock feature. I suggest you to turn this on because by using this only we can lock this band quickly. I didn't find any other way to lock this band, so I suggest you to use that feature. So after the lock screen setup, you just kept the watch for some time, and as you can see the lock is activated. And if you want to do anything with your band, you must enter the pin for that. So now everything works, and let me show you again. As you can see, you can toggle everything, and let me just keep it down, and as you can see now when I wake up, as you can see the lock is automatically activated. They should have given a time frame for this lock to automatically lock the watch, but they didn't give any option like that, and we have to use this feature to lock this band. As you can see, I turned off that feature, and if you see now, the watch is not locked. Now coming to the sensors and accuracy in this Huawei Band 6, and now currently I enable the heart rate monitoring, and as you can see it's currently showing 87 bpm. Let me check it in the pulse oximeter here. The pulse oximeter is taking some time, and let's say as you can see here it's now currently showing 87. It changed to 92 bpm, and as you can see here it's showing 91 bpm. So as you can see the accuracy is like very similar to the readings of the pulse oximeter, and sometimes you will getting a difference of 2. As you can see it's currently in 88, and here you can see there is a difference of 2. And coming to the SpO2 monitoring, I have enabled the manual SpO2 monitoring here. If you keep the band in a proper position, it measures it fastly. and as you can see currently it's showing a 98%. And let me use the pulse oximeter now, and as you can see here the pulse oximeter is currently showing 96 and 98 now. As you can see the SpO2 monitoring is like closer to accuracy. Now it's changed to 99 and here it's showing 98. If you want to see more about the accuracy, I suggest you to search for the scientific review of the Huawei Band 6. You can search in the channel of Quantified Scientist, and there you can see the scientific review of all the bands like Mi Band 6, Huawei Band 6, and from that review I can say that the accuracy of this Huawei Band 6 is greater than the other two. I compared the results with the Samsung Galaxy Watch Act 2 regarding the step counting and all, and I got similar results in both of them. Now the activity records like the step tracking, the calories burned, kilometers walk, everything will be sent to the mobile, and by using the app you can see everything. So now let me show you some settings that we can access by using the Huawei Health app. And as you can see in the health monitoring, we can enable the continuous heart rate monitoring, and we can also set alerts. I have set the high heart rate alert at 120 bpm, and you can set the for low heart rate also. And after that you can see the automatic SpO2, and we can also set the alert for the low SpO2 also. And there are some options for the stress test and the Huawei True Sleep. And I didn't test this Huawei True Sleep as I am not comfortable sleeping while wearing any kind of watches or bands. And after that you can see the watch faces here, and here you can see the readings of sensors and all, and here you can see the workout details that you have performed using the Huawei Band 6. Now coming to the battery life, the Huawei Band 6 supports the fast charging, and it will take around 1 hour 10 to 1 hour 20 minutes to full charge this Huawei Band 6 from 0 to 100%. I have used the 10 watt and 15 watt chargers, but I got the same results, and we have to charge by using the cable which has the 2 pins that magnetically attached to the Huawei Band 6. And regarding the battery backup, by enabling all the sensors I am getting 6 to 7 days, and without those sensors and I am getting up to 10 to 11 days. So the battery life is not an issue for this Huawei Band 6, and you can easily get 1 week of battery life in a single charge. Now comparing it with the Mi Band 6 and Huawei Band 6, I suggest you to go with the Huawei Band 6 as we are getting a bigger screen. As in the Mi Band 6 we are getting a smaller screen, it will be difficult for us for reading the text messages and all, where it is easy to read the messages and interact with the display easily in this Huawei Band 6. And in the Mi Band 6 we have the third party app integration, but when the screen is small we can't utilize them properly. And coming to the main drawback is we can't reply to the notifications, and we can't even silence the mobile phone. But when we see in the smartwatches, we can reply to the messages, we can custom type the messages, and we can also attend the call also. As you can see here, I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch active, and here you can see these are the messages that I can give instantly, and we can also custom type the message that we want to reply them. At least they should have given some. But this is a fitness band. The main focus on this band is regarding the fitness, and Huawei Band 6 is coming with the 96 sports modes. Regarding the Honor Band 6 and the Huawei Band 6, I will suggest you to go with the Huawei Band 6 because the Huawei Band 6 is getting much more support than the Honor Band 6 in terms of updates. So the new lock screen feature and the automatically reduced brightness at the night, these features are available in the Huawei Band 6, but they are not available till now to the Honor Band 6. And again it depends on the price, like in the sales of Big Billion Days and the Great India sales, the Huawei Band 6 is sold for 4,000 rupees in the Amazon, whereas the Honor Band 6 is selling for 3,000 rupees in Flipkart. At the price of 3,000 you can go for Honor Band 6 instead of the Band 6 also, but if you are getting this Huawei Band 6 under 3,500, you should definitely go for that. This Band 6 is also coming with the water resistant, and I have tested it during the rain also, and nothing happened and it's working perfectly fine. If you give more importance to the fitness and if you want a fitness band under 5,000, this Huawei Band 6 is a good option for that. Without considering the features, this band is a really good one, as we are getting the bigger display comparing to other bands. The features like SpO2 monitoring, which is continuous, and heart rate monitoring, stress monitoring, and even with the water resistant. If you are getting this band under 3,500, you should definitely buy this one. Regarding the other fitness bands, this one is the best one out there. If money is an issue, you can try the Honor Band 6. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe.